Hey guys! So today I'm going to be doing another super easy beginner friendly makeup. We're going to be doing another full eye look with using just two colors. We're going to also keep this one matte without any shimmers for anyone out there that isn't a fan of shimmers. With that being said, if you like shimmers, you can add any kind of shimmer to this look, whether it be the whole eye, the inner tear duct, or even along the lash line. This can be transformed to however you like to do your makeup. If you are new here, hello, my name is Josie, and I put out new videos. Okay, not as much as I want to. If you are new here, hello, my name is Josie, and I hope you will hit that subscribe button to become part of the GLAMFAM, and let's just get into this video. If you guys like the beginner tutorials, give this video a like so I know, and yeah. Let's talk about the palette I'm going in with today. This is the Ulta Beauty. So Ulta's beauty line, their in-house beauty line, Everyday Faves eyeshadow palette. This has become one of my favorite palettes for everyday wear, and it's affordable. It's nice because it has some mattes and some shimmers, and they're great. A little bit of cools and then a couple warms. I'm more of a cool toned girl myself. I really love this. Like, I absolutely love this. I've been using it for my everyday makeup for like a week and a half straight. So we are gonna go in with these two shades right here. This one and this one on the bottom. So it's like a light mauve, kind of pinky neutral, and then this one is just a little bit darker with a little bit more brown in it. Those are the two that we're going to be going in with today. I'm going to prime my eyelids with Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer. You guys know I love this primer. It's one of my favorites. I'm just going to go ahead and put it onto my fingers and just prime both eyes at the same time, just like that. All right, so first step, we are going to go in with the lighter color right here. I'm gonna turn so you guys can see where I'm placing it. I like to start on the outer portion of the eye, just kind of pat it down first to get the all-around shape that you want. And then once you have the shape that you like, I like more of a rounded and then a little bit kind of broad out. We're gonna go in and just blend this. Super easy. And we're gonna also bring it in just a little bit into the inner portion of the crease once we have it built up on the edge. If there are any patches, if there are any places that don't look even, just go over them very lightly and then just blend it out. Like so. That's it for the first color. Let's do the other eye. Done. Now that we have the base shade on, we're going to go in with the slightly darker one right here. And we are going to pop that into the deepest part of our socket when we look forward. So if we're looking forward in our fold, the fold of our eye goes in here the most, if that makes sense. So we're looking for our crease, and where our crease goes in, the middle of our crease that goes in, that folds in, that's where we're going to start the crease line. The shadow is going there. Remember, place first and focus this only on the outer portion. Why am I doing this eye? Sorry. Right now, all we're wanting to do is just add a little bit of dimension to the crease. See, that's just a little bit darker. Feather out the edges, just like so. And then the fun part. So now I'm just going, before we go into the under eye, we are going to take a cotton pad. These are, I need more, don't judge me, but these are the Ulta cotton pads. They're the pillow cotton pads, and they are my favorite. I don't know how I lived with them before. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup remover on this. So now I'm just gonna flatten this edge, and I'm going to go in and just follow the edge of my eye. So we're following the under eye right here, and we're just going to place it down and just very lightly swipe back and forth, just like that. So now it's going to give you that sharp line. So we do the same on this side. Look at that. That's it. Super easy. You can go in with your brush that you did your foundation and just kind of place that back down where we cut the eye shape out. And then we're going to go underneath our eye. So we're just going to take the lighter shade and just very lightly bring this underneath the eye, only going about halfway. Just like that. Just a little bit. You don't need much. All right. And then we're going to go in with our liner. So what I like to do is this is Urban Decay's new 24/7 inks. It's real good, I will not lie. So it looks like this. This is in the shade 0. What I like to do is just stamp this on to the eye. Not sweeping yet, but stamping just to create the shape again. When I was freelancing and doing makeup lessons, I found that this technique of just stamping it on, you have so much more control over the product and where it goes instead of sweeping it and hoping you get the right angle, if that makes sense. All right, then you have your shape and you can start to do your wing. Quick tip, if you find that your eyeliner is kind of drying out because the product on your eye is dry, sometimes that happens with liquid liners, put a little bit of alcohol onto a cotton pad, sweep it over, and that will clean out any of the powder-ish things that are keeping your liner from coming out. So now we're gonna go in and just follow the line that we did, just like that. Let's do the other eye. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Today I'm gonna be using the Lancome Monsieur Big, just like that. All right, that is your everyday eyeshadow using only 2 eyeshadows with no false lashes. I love you guys. Bye.